How's it going? This is an Erpnext versus Salesforce comparison video. As you can see, when it comes to the platform supported, Erpnext is supported by SaaS Web or on-premise. As Salesforce, you get it for SaaS Web, iPhone, iPad, or Android. Now, if we look at some of the main features, the categories for Erpnext are ERP and healthcare ERP. And for Salesforce, you can see you get all those things like automotive, construction, contact management, CRM, hotel CRM, inside sales, real estate CRM. So if you need these things, obviously Salesforce is the way to go. Then when it comes to integrations, this is where you see the biggest difference. For Erpnext, you see only 30 integrations, but for Salesforce, you will see 4,922, almost 5,000 integrations. So if you need a lot of integrations, there is no doubts about it. Hands down, Salesforce is the way to go. So it depends person to person what is the best choice for you. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.